Hello guys, welcome to this video. Kung isa ka rin sa nagpaplano na mag-take ng exam or board exam, lit exam sa September, sumabay na kayo or sabay na tayo mag-review. Okay? From bottom to top is re-reviewin natin. Maraming mga question na dapat nating reviewin. Okay? Kahit isang oras sa isang araw is pwede natin gawin dahil meron tayong 5 months or to 6 months. Okay? Now is April to September, mga 5 months to 6 months. Okay? 5 and a half yung time pa natin. So hindi tayo masyadong magkahabol or hindi natin isisiksik ng sabay-sabay yung mga information para hindi natin agad makalimutan. So nanamnamin natin bawat question. Okay? Now, sabay na tayong mag-review. So, subaybayan mo lang to. Kada video na lalabas is sigurado ako na mga 5 to 10 question possible. Lahat naman yan. Lahat ng question na nasa video na to is possible na lumabas sa exam. Hindi lang natin masasabi kung alin yon. Okay? Kaya mas marami tayong alam na question, marami tayong sagot na alam is mas maganda. Okay? Kasi dito paramihan tayo ng alam. Okay? Kasi hindi nga natin alam kung ano yung mga pwede nilang ilabas or ilagay na question doon sa exam. Kung kumbaga sa gera, kailangan marami tayong bala. Okay? So, let's start. Let question. By the way, I'm IBS. So let's start the question number 1. A student learns best by doing experiments and activities. Which learning approach support this? So kung ang bata ay natututo sa pamamagitan ng paggawa, paggawa ng experiment and activities, ano nga ba yung approach na ginamit? Okay? Behaviorism, constructivism, C. Humanism, or conditioning. So, by doing, okay, so makikita na natin agad yung sagot. Construct, right? Habang gumagawa, is mas natututo, di ba? So, miski ako, or karamihan naman ng estudyante, mas natututo sila kapag ginagawa yung isang bagay, di ba? So, the answer is V. Okay? Constructivism. Number 2, which theories propose the hierarchy of needs? So, sino bang theory ang nag-propose nito ng hierarchy of needs? A. Skinner, B. Maslow, C. Piaget, D. Brunner. The answer is B. Maslow. Si Abraham Maslow ang nag-propose niyang the hierarchy of needs. Okay? Number 3, a test given during instruction to monitor learning is called. So during instruction, ano bang test or anong test ang ginamit diyan? Summative, formative, diagnostic, or achievement? So the answer is B, formative. For which branch of government makes law? Okay? Sa branch ng ating government, ang gumagawa ng batas ay executive ba, legislative, judicial, or administrative? The answer is legislative. Okay? Okay. Kung medyo mabilis, pwede nyo i-post yung video para masabayan ninyo. Okay? Number 5, which theories emphasize zone of proximal development? Si Piaget, Vygotsky, Skinner, or Thorndike? The answer is Vygotsky. The method where students learn through discovery is associated with Skinner, Brunner, Pavlov, or Thorndike. The answer is B. Brunner. Okay? Si Jerome Bruner ang nag-promote ng discovery learning. Kung merong mga maingay kayong naririnig, hayaan nyo lang, huwag nyo pansinin. Focus tayo dito sa ating review, okay? Number 7, which stage of Piaget involves logical thinking about concrete objects? A. Sensory motor, pre-operational, concrete operational, or D. Formal operational. So, makikita nyo sa question, meron na tayong clue. Okay, lagi nyo tatandaan yung mga tips na yung mga ganito, yung mga clue natin sa question. Para pag nakita natin dito sa sagot, sa choices, ay alam na natin agad yung sagot. So, kung merong concrete object dito, dapat meron din tayong sasagot. Okay? The answer is concrete operational. Children aged 7 to 11 are in the concrete operational stage. Number 8. Which part of a research identifies the problem? So, saan ba natin na-identify ang problem? Saang part ba yan? Sa methodology, introduction, sa results, or discussion? So, malalaman naman natin yan sa introduction. Okay? Dahil dyan sa introduction, introduce mo yung title mo, yung problem, and kung paano mo pwedeng masolusyonan yan through research. Okay? So, introduction. The smallest unit of life is, so kahit grade 6, kayang sagutan yan, tissue, organ, cell, or molecule. So, the answer is C, cell. Okay? Which punctuation show possession? So, number 10. Okay, A, period, B, apostrophe, C, comma, D, colon. So, the answer is apostrophe. Number 11. Which government branch interprets law? So, the answer is judicial. Okay? Number 12. What is 20% of 150? The answer is C, 30. So, paano natin sinolve yan? Okay, 150 times 0.20 equals, so, minove lang natin kasi yung 20%. So, para maging 0.20 siya, so, nag-move lang tayo ng 2. So, backward. Okay? Number 13. Which reinforcement increase behavior? So, so ito alam natin to, right? A. Positive reinforcement. B. Extinction. C. Punishment. D. Avoidance. So, the answer is letter A. Positive reinforcement. So, alam naman natin yan. Diba? So, kung yung bata is meron siyang good behavior, so, magbibigay tayo ng positive reinforcement sa kanya para mas lalo siyang ma-inspired, ma-motivate na gawin lang yun at ipagpatuloy yun. Right? And kapag yung mga pasaway na students naman natin ay binigyan natin ng positive reinforcement doon sa ginagawa nilang hindi maganda or pagiging pasaway, ay mas lalo pa nilang baka isipin nila, kapag naging mas pasaway ako, baka mas lalo akong bigyan ng positive reinforcement or bibigyan natin sila ng rewards nila, di ba? So, ayan. Dapat alam natin kung ano yung mga dapat natin ibibigay sa kanila. Okay? Number 14. The earth revolves around the answer is B, sun. Number 15. The processed plants used to make food is, so ano ba yan? A, respiration. B, photosynthesis. C, digestion. D, fermentation. Answer is photosynthesis. Okay? Number 16. Which test measures prior knowledge? So, anong test yan? Nagmi-measure ng ating prior knowledge. Okay, the answer is A, diagnostic. Tandaan nyo lang yan, guys. Pag prior knowledge, it means diagnostic. Okay? Number 17. Which sentence is correct? She go to school, she goes to school, she going to school, she gone to school. So, The answer is B. She goes to school. So, bakit? Dahil sa ating subject-verb agreement. She goes. Right? Number 18. Which continent is the Philippines in? Sa Europe ba? Asia? Africa? Australia? So, the answer is B. Asia. Which organs pumps blood? So, A. Lungs, B. Brain, C. Heart, D. Kidney, B. Heart. Okay? Which organ controls the body? So, ano ba yung mga nagko-control sa katawan natin? Of course, our brain. Right? Okay, hanggang 20 lang muna tayo ngayon. Meron tayong quotes dito ng sinasabi ay, the best way to predict your future is to create it. Okay? By Abraham Lincoln. So, gawin lang natin yung mga dapat nating gawin. Ipagpatuloy lang natin ng ipagpatuloy para mapuntahan natin yung gusto nating mapuntahan. Okay? Tulad yan, nagre-review tayo. Automatically, dahil sa pagre-review natin, yung result na lumabas, diba, sa mga future na take natin ng exam, ay malamang maging positive, diba? So, see you again in the next video, guys.